News coming in. Aam Aadmi Party's former spokesperson Atishi Marlina has written a letter to senior party leaders in which he has virtually declared a parting of ways with Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav. Marlina's letter suggests that the leadership was close to arriving at a consensus, save for Prashant Bhushan, who backed out not on the grounds of principle but because his father said no. Marlina has credited party leader Sanjay Singh with building a consensus among the party's top leadership.
देखिए, अरविंद भाई की भाषा पे मैं टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहता। मैं सिर्फ इतना समझता हूं कि पिछले काफी समय से, जब से दिल्ली चुनाव समाप्त हुआ है, उसके बाद से अरविंद भाई का एक ही आग्रह मुझे बार बार सुनाई देता है कि इनको पीएसी से निकालो, अगर ये रहेंगे मैं काम नहीं कर पाऊंगा। निकाल दिया गया। फिर उसके बाद ये अब इनको एनई से निकालो, अगर ये रहेंगे मैं काम नहीं कर पाऊंगा। जो बातचीत हुई, और मैं दरअसल बातचीत वार्ताकारों को मैं दोष नहीं देता। ऐसा नहीं कि कोई वार्ता असफल हो जाए तो वार्ताकार का दोष होता है। दिक्कत ये थी कि वार्ताकार के तो हाथ बंधे हुए थे। वार्ताकार को सीधा मैसेज दिया गया था कि देखिए, बार बार जो मैसेज था वो बड़ा सीधा था कि या तो शराफत से इस्तीफा दे दो, नहीं तो धक्के मार के बाहर करेंगे। अब ऐसे में वार्ता क्या होगी? दो शरीफ लोग बैठ के क्या वार्ता करेंगे जिसमें पहले से लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी गई है कि या तो शराफत से इस्तीफा दो, नहीं तो बाहर कर देंगे। ये दिक्कत कैसे पैदा हुई, ये स्थिति कैसे आई, ये सवाल।
All right, let's get a word from Ankit Tyagi, who's with us on the phone line. Ankit, interesting development here. Atishi Marlina was somebody who was seen close to Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav, but here she's written an open letter to the party leadership, clearly siding with the Kejriwal camp.
Simi, not an open letter, but yes, an email was written to Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan, and that was also CC'd to Admiral Ramdas and few others. In this, Atishi Marlina, as you rightly pointed out, who was seen close. In fact, she has addressed this also in her letter, in the email that she has sent, in which she said that people, those who are neutral like me, were accused from both the sides of siding with either of them. She also has quoted a few incidents when Prashant Bhushan had said a few things about her, or Yogendra Yadav and so Shanti Bhushan. So she has basically the letter in which she has titled "The Way Forward and Where I Stand." She has hit out at Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan, specifically hitting out at Prashant Bhushan, saying that despite commendable work done by Sanjay Singh and Prithvi Reddy to build out a consensus to somehow make sure that negotiations work and both the camps can reach some sort of a middle ground, it seems that Prashant Bhushan, only because his father did not want these negotiations to succeed, backed off at the last moment. So scathing attack there by Atishi Marlina. She has been quite throughout this entire episode of the Aam Aadmi Party, and rightly, as you said, that a lot of people saw her as somebody very close to Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan camp. By writing this letter, she has made one thing very clear, that she is right now very much with the Arvind Kejriwal camp. In fact, in the end, before signing off, she also says that by writing this letter, I know that it will be difficult for us to walk the same path, addressing Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav. So this will be a blow to Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan. Remember, they are in fact speaking to various volunteers, and 14 they have also called a meeting. But this clearly shows how the negotiations were going. And in the end, the blame is now on Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav for not making sure that it succeeds.
Absolutely interesting also because Atishi Marlina was left out of that list of 20 spokespersons that Aam Aadmi Party issued after the exit of Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav. Ankit, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more.